Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who haven't met me yet, hi, I'm Jaya. I'm a flight attendant and certified makeup artist, and welcome to my channel. Guys, I'm so excited to make this video because it's been a while since I made a makeup tutorial, but guess what? I'm back! Since Christmas and New Year is coming up, let me guys give you an idea on what I make up to wear for the holidays. Now, if you want to look cute on Christmas or New Year, and if you like this look, then please watch the whole video. Also guys, if you're interested or also want to try the products that I'll be using on this video, I will link them on the description down below. Now before we start, grab your makeup kit because we're going to do this step by step together. I'll be using Morphe Artistry palette. For our shades, let's go for matte pink, matte dark brown, and white or pearl shade shimmer. For brushes, let's go for flat brush, pencil brush, and blending brush. Step 1. Apply eye primer or concealer. Alright, step 2, set your concealer with translucent powder or foundation powder. Step 3, apply pink eyeshadow on your crease. Make sure to build the color especially on the inner and outer corners of your lid, and leave the center part bare. Step 4. Apply dark brown shade only on the outer and inner corners of your lid. We're doing this because we want to intensify the color of the inner and outer corners of your lid. Again, avoid the middle part.
I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel on Christmas Day. Every
And now you'll see the color contrast. Alright, step 5. Spray your flat brush with setting spray to intensify the color of the eyeshadow. Step 6. Apply the white shimmer on the center of your lid in tapping motion and then swiping motion.
Christmas stars.
And guys, make sure to blend the harsh edges using your blending brush. Always remember guys, that blending is the key to a flawless makeup.
Hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy.
And this is how it should look. Darker shade on the inner and outer corners of your lid, pink on your crease, and white shimmer in the middle of your lid. Step 7. Apply any light shade matte eyeshadow on your brow bone.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting.
Step 8. Also apply pink eyeshadow on your lower lash line.
So I'm offering this sample frame.
Step 9. Highlight your inner corners.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Alright guys, this is optional. You don't have to if you don't want to. Apply thin layer of eyeliner.
Chestnut roasting. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this sample frame. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
This is optional as well. Step 11. Curl lashes and apply mascara.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Final step. Apply false eyelashes.
That's what Christmas is all about.
And you don't have to do this if you have long lashes or extensions. And we're done. This eyeshadow is cute with pink lip gloss or lipstick.
Just like the ones I used to know.
And also cute with red lipstick. Happy holidays, guys! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring that bell for notifications. God bless. Bye.